anything I've noticed about bantu abaku-entertainment industry Mpumalanga baphakamisana, it's not in the culture of Mpumalanga entertainers ukuthi baphakamisana umuntu osakhula bamsethe on ukuthi naye aphakame. I've started radio in 2014 at Barberton Community Radio. The people there know my capabilities. They know what I used to do mangbambumpopo. Bengena sengithi seyigabenge insimbi yekucala mukela nathi tinizaba ngeliphimbo lathoza ndlala. Lona longumangameli waseNingizimu Afrika Jacob Zuma Sobite mfuna kulwete imali nhlanhlanene yambitela nganene eNingizimu Afrika. Lona wakakunene uthena kafika wamfaka indlela lo wakaZuma waqoka Davis van Rooyen ukuthi bra, they know my capabilities. Ngithe mangisuka eBCR FM ngajoina iRoots Music Radio RMR Eastern Cape. I was there for 3 years doing radio. What I've noticed while I was with RMR, because I used to travel a lot, Johannesburg, Port Elizabeth, all over the country, and I used to meet people, and I have photos to prove that. People from other provinces, KZN, Gauteng, they used to listen to me. Ngikhuluma ngeMpumalanga, ngikhuluma ngokuthi, you know, we need to set each other on, and I will also market people base Dondoni, bakubonela spread. Mina, when I used to work for RMR, just to take you back, I used to play Abo Mama Shelangubo, laba dumanga le ngoma yakhe le Dlano Hambe, Abo Thokozani Smelane, Bafana Base Glenmore. I used to play a lot of guys when I was on radio. I'm telling you, when I meet Tira, when I meet Skumba, when I meet Annelem Mdoda, when I meet Upresley lo aduma le movie Itsotsi manje The River waziwa ngoCobra, they all listened to me when ngikhuluma ngokuthi kumele siphushane, kumele setane, we need to put each other on ku-industry. They will listen to me, but people engaqala nabo, they no longer pick up my calls. Despite knowing my capabilities, despite seeing me here on TikTok, some of them, they don't pick up. And I don't want to blame anyone for that or say, you know, I don't want that shine. I'll tell you the truth, Putwa. I act like I'm fine. But deep down, I want to go back to radio, bro. I want to go back to radio, bro, and do what I love. You know, I've never messed up a chance that I was given, bro. Just wanna go back to raid and do what I love, bro.